How to upload high quality video on Instagram. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner, which will give you this menu list right here, from which you want to click on settings and privacy. And once you are on this page, you need to keep scrolling down till you find this section that says your app and media. From there, click on data usage and media quality. You will get on this page right here, in which you will see the media upload quality section, and it has an option that says upload at highest quality. Now as you can see, it tells you always upload the highest quality photos and videos and etc. So the next step from here is to click on the toggle next to it to turn it on, and by doing that, every video that you will upload from now on will be uploaded at the highest quality possible. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload high quality videos on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.